Today I will show you how to make beautiful heart project in Irish lace technique. We are working on the front side. Firstly, we make a picture in real size, pin it on the mat, pin cords, flowers, leaves, sew places of contiguity, and fill it up 3 places with chaotic mesh. Then we make trim and sew beads. For work you need flowers. You will find them in tutorial number 7 in crochet flowers. Cord from tutorial 47. Branches, beads, pins, crochet hooks, scissors and balls of yarn, and mat. Make a picture in real size and pin it on a mat. I make a cord on the burden. Burden is thread in the half in the 4 times. Insert the hook into the loop. As you can see, I work with 2 kinds of yarn. Make a chain. Make single crochet. Pull a little bit. Pull a little bit. Pull a little bit. Make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the burden. Make single crochet. Pull a little bit. We have got 5 chain space. We have done 5 single crochet. Make a 5 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make single crochet. Pull a little bit. You can make more single crochet between chain spaces. The ready cord you should pin on the pattern. The length of the cord you determine by pattern. As you can see, I put cord on the burden, branch and flower and cord. I pinned all elements and sew places of contiguity. As you can see, I use beads between cords. Now I'm going to work with chaotic mesh. In this case, I fill it up 3 places with chaotic mesh. Now I show you how to make the chaotic mesh. Make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over, make double crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Make a chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1, 2, 3, turn the work, yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the next chain space. Chain 1, take the working loop, pull it through. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, make double crochet into the chain space, yarn over, and make double crochet, not finish, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 1, 2, 3, make double crochet into the chain space, chain 1, 2, 3, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain 1, 2, 3, take the working yarn, pull it through, chain 1, 2, 3, make double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet, chain 1, 2, yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the chain space, chain 1, and make single crochet. Then you should continue by yourself. I have filled it up with chaotic mesh. As you can see, I did bigger chain spaces than in other part. As you can see, I join inside of the flower. You should make the joining in this way. Let's make the trim. The first row is reverse single crochet trim made of yarn with lurex. This is the second side of the heart. Now I show you how to make such elements. Insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet, and make single crochet into the next stitch. Insert the hook into the third stitch, make single crochet, chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, make 3 double crochet into the same stitch. 1, I do not finish this stitch, make the second one, I do not finish this stitch, make the third one. I do not finish this stitch, then yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Here what we have. Continue 2 single crochet in a row, make single crochet, that you should make by yourself. We have done the first row of the trim. I retouched the project. Now I begin the second row. In this case I use cotton yarn. Insert the hook into the cord, make a chain, make a single crochet. Then I'm going to work with 7 chain space, make a chain of 7. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a single crochet. Then single crochet, chain of 7, make single crochet and single crochet. Then you should make 7 chain space by yourself. We have done the second row of the chain spaces. I'm working on the front side of the work. Insert the hook into the single crochet, take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain. I use other color of yarn, make single crochet into the chain space, 2 single crochet, make double crochet stitches, 1, 2, make 2 chains and double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain of 2 and 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Continue working with next chain space. Make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain of 2, then 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain of 2 and 2 single crochet into the same chain space. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. We have done the trim. The heart is ready. Let's take a look at the back side of this heart. I remove all yarns along the cord. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.